Today's recipe is air fryer taco crunch wrap. Okay, we're going to do up our ground beef first. So we're going to brown our ground beef. You could use ground turkey or ground chicken as well. So we'll brown this up, then we'll add our taco seasoning. You could do a homemade taco seasoning or just use a package. We'll add our water. We'll let that saute down for around 5 minutes. Now we're going to preheat our air fryer and we'll add our ground beef to our tortilla shell. You want to place this in the center. Then we're going to add some cheese sauce. Some salsa. Some shredded cheese. Tex-Mex or Nacho flavor or whichever kind of cheese you like. Some coleslaw mix. You could just do shredded cabbage. You could do shredded lettuce if you like as well. Put a few tortilla chips on top. Add a smaller tortilla. And then we're just going to fold it up into a wrap. Now you could use toothpicks to hold this together. And then we're going to place this in our air fryer, folded side down first. For around 4 minutes. And we'll flip it over. And we'll cook it again until it's nice and brown. Take it out and serve it with toppings of your choice. Enjoy.
Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.